Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on to share a clean and simple card with you all using up my white scraps of card. This is just some of it. I have got absolutely loads and loads, and that is just a few little pieces that I have. So without further ado, let me show you how to create this clean and simple card. Okie dokie, so what I've done next is I've taken my strips of card, I've popped them onto my scoreboard, and I've cut 5 pieces of card down to 5 inches by 1 inch, and I've got those here. And then what I did with my 5 pieces was I popped them into my scoreboard, and on the 1 inch side I have scored at 1/8 of an inch along my pieces of card, and I have got that look there where they have all been scored. Okay, and then I'm just taking my little homemade dusting powder to pop over my card. I've also got this lovely aster. So it is from the Creative Craft Products Floral Calendar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my clear ink pad. Pop this over the top. Then I've taken my opaque bright white Wow embossing powder, and I've popped that over the top. And I'm going to then take my heat tool and I'm just going to let the magic begin. I just love watching how the embossing powder changes. It's absolutely brilliant. Never ceases to amaze me each time. Just a little bit left there to do. Okie dokie. Okay, so the stamp set came with a little die, so I'm going to pop off and cut the aster out. Okay, so next what I've done is I've taken some of my foam on a roll, and I've popped a strip of the foam onto the back of my white pieces of card, and I'm going to peel this away like so. Dab a little bit of glue along the back, and what I am doing is on my card I've started at the top where I've left a little gap. I've popped my bottom one in, and I'm just working my way up my card, popping my little strips of card down onto my card like so. And then just for my last strip I am going to pop it in like that onto my card. Okie dokie, so we should have that now. And any little bits that you might have hanging over your card, just trim those away. And then with my little flower, what I've done is I've taken my little Sizzix Thinlits dies, and I've die cut the little centre from the set, and also some little leaves, and just pop those into the centre of the aster. So I've got one to do. I'll just get that one done. And next what I've done is I've just coloured the stems on my flowers, I've then gone round with my little ink pad, so it's these cute little eyes ink dies in rosy. Just to make a little bit definition, I've popped my foam pads onto the back, and yeah, my new foam pads are on their way. Not much longer with these little small ones. And what I want to do is just pop the flower like so onto my card, like that. Okay, so now I am just going to pop some little leaves just with a bit of glue under my card. I also took these from my little Sizzix Thinlits jar of flowers, so it was the little leaves. I'm just going to pop these around my card like so. Just using a couple of different sizes, like so. And then just to finish my card off, I've got this little Best Wishes sentiment, which I have taken from my Springbird paper pad collection. I've popped a little bit of glue onto the back, and I'm just going to pop this to the bottom of my card like so. So there you go, there is my clean and simple card using scraps of white card, and yeah, I really like that. Whoops, I've got a little straggler of foam pad on my hand. Yeah, so that is it for today. If you have enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and also would you consider subscribing to my channel? I would be ever so grateful for this. And yeah, there you go. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.